This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange, then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Fully unscrew the wheel nuts and remove the wheel. Use a flat-bladed screwdriver to carefully prise off the caliper retaining spring. Prise out the plastic caps, then use a suitable Allen key or bit to unscrew and remove the guide pins. Slide the caliper from place. Pull the inner brake pad from the piston and remove the outer pad from the mounting bracket. Measure the thickness of the pad's friction material. If it's 1.5 mm or less, renew all the front pads. If new pads are being fitted, the piston must be fully pushed back into the caliper body. Ideally, use a piston retraction tool for this. If necessary, a G-clamp will suffice. Keep an eye on the fluid level in the reservoir as the piston is retracted. Remove any surplus fluid with a syringe. Suspend the caliper from the suspension strut using wire. Then clean the mounting bracket with a brush and brake cleaner. Apply a thin smear of high-temperature grease to the bracket contact points on the outer pad backplate. Take care not to get any grease on the friction material. Fit the outer pad to the mounting bracket. Ensure the friction material is against the disc face. Apply a thin smear of high-temperature grease to the bracket contact points on the inner pad backplate. Again, take care not to get any grease on the friction material. Press the inner pad retaining clip firmly into the caliper piston. Slide the caliper into place. Then insert the guide pins and tighten them to the specified torque. Refit the plastic caps over the ends of the guide pins. Refit the retaining spring, ensuring it correctly locates in the caliper body and over the mounting bracket. Repeatedly depress the brake pedal to bring the pads into full contact with the disc. Repeat this procedure on the remaining front brake, then check the brake fluid. Locate the wheel over the hub studs. Then refit and lightly tighten the wheel nuts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel nuts to the specified torque.